Hey, welcome back out to the garage. We're putting the rack on the roof of the Jeep, so don't miss this one. So how do you lift a rack that's like 100 pounds on top of a Jeep that's way over your head? Line it up, not scratch anything, and knowing that you got antennas, all kinds of stuff to go over, we got a plan. Okay, so here's the plan. You can see these straps. This is for removing our hard top straight up. Now with this rack on, you can't go straight up, but that's all right. We can still use this to lift this rack up. So what we're going to do is we're going to tip this rack on an angle, and we'll tuck this strap through. The nice thing is they unclip. So we'll be able to come up through here, and up through here. Come here a little bit. There we are. So we're right on there, ain't going anywhere, okay? Now we gotta do this side, same routine. And there we go. You can see we're a little crooked. Why are we a little crooked? Our straps aren't adjusted evenly. So we're going to adjust the straps to make it level. Straps, we're going to put some rags in there. Lift this up, tuck in the rag, put it through there. Take it over here. Look at that, we're on our way. So let's haul it into the ceiling. All right, we measured our rack on the roof there, the framework, and the saddles, this part here, has to be 6 foot off the ground just to clear the Jeep. So we'll pull it up like 6.5 and then we'll lower it back. Let's do it. All right, measurement time. We're 76, so about 4 inches above. Just for good measure, we'll leave it right where it's at. It's probably pretty good. One thing we're going to do is we're going to cleat that rope to the wall so we don't have to worry about oops. All right. So we are firmly up in the air. We do need to put some little rubber pieces we bought for here so this seats out and doesn't rattle. So we're going to put a little rubber bumper here before we put this up. So that's our next plan, is wipe that down, put those in there, and we'll be all set. right, so here's what we're hoping to bring this down to here. We covered the back half of the rail with a towel, so if we're off alignment, which we know we are, we won't scratch it. So what we're going to do is go try to let this down towards here. It's going to be real close on the camera, but we should be good. All right, up the ladder we go. Oh, we're going to need help on this, I can see that. So, yes.
Lined up, right. Okay, go. Wait.
You go up a little?
No. Come down. Wait. Okay, I got the first one. The second one's not all the way down.
But it's in line with the bar?
Yeah, well, you can put your bolts in, yeah.
Right. I'm going to put my bolts in. It's still got time.
Because I can't now.
Okay, I'm good. I can put my bolts in, you say.
The back part is not.
But it's in line. It's on the pipe. Yeah, it's on the pipe. Okay, we're okay. Let me start putting bolts in. Because then once I've got bolts started on this side, it can't fall out. Because I've got long bolts for this side, short bolts for the other side. All right, we've got to let this thing down some more. All right, we've got all the bolts started. Now we just got to go around and tighten them up. It's a slow process because you can't get any tools in there. So we'll just sit here and do it like this. All right, let's go to the other side. Hey, look at that. We got the lights on the back of the Jeep. Got our roof rack on. Well, let's go see the front. Got the front side done too. Whoo, look at that there. So we got the front lights on and the back lights on. We got them all wired real nice. We got to do the switches yet. That'll be the next video. So don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. The roof rack is on and assembled with lights on it. Next, wire up the lights.